Wow! I wish I got that on camera.
You did,
nah, I didn't get it. Did you get it?
Yeah, got it.
Let's see. Zoom out. Wow. Fucking awesome.
That was an ISO 320.
Yeah, okay. Now I'm getting all the text messages. Just start. Okay, I'm gonna do it again because that fucking. Oh, what was that? Oh, jeez.
Blue jet. See it?
Yeah, I think I saw it on the camera as well.
Yeah, fucking blue jet.
Wow.
Fuck. I would have got that with the ISO 320 too. You saw it? Fuck, I see the dog leg out that side. Just keep an eye out for that purple.
Oh! Nice doggy.
Yeah.
Hey, by the way, this is recording.
That was
Oh, yeah.
Did you see it again?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah. Oh, nice.
Are you still videoing?
Yep. Oh, jeez.
What's that?
Something bright.
Is that a CG?
Maybe. Right, time to get this back to stills. Wow!
What's that? CG?
Yeah.
Did you see how oh, you stopped? See how those
Almost.
blue jets came right as it was updrafting again? Right
Yeah.
when it started CGing and fucking.
Oh, something blue? Something blue, pretty blue just there.
There was.
Oh, wow.